Now we here at our Limbi Chinchoi village, prestigious Dakshinmukhi Maruti Mandir, where we are celebrating Hanuman Jayanti. So today we have with us Limbi Chinchoi villages, one of the most educated person. Everyone knows him with the name of Sachin Kotane. So Sachin Kotane sir, how was the celebration today?
It was a very enjoyment and we have enjoyed a lot this festival. Actually, this should have happened yesterday, but due to my friend's father demise, so we couldn't done that. And Vishwanath Jolge till that after that end of their last ride demise all program we will continue tomorrow. So we come this day and completed this festival very well.
So what's the story behind today's festival? Why we celebrate Hanuman Jayanti today?
Yes, the message goes from this festival to the society is Hanuman is he is a devotee of Sri Prabhu Sri Ram. He is not only known for his strong body, also he is the good leader and he is the messenger to the society that how to respect to the Prabhu Sri Ram and how to behave under his all orders. He just suggests the society. He is a very impressive God. All are only looking to his only strength, but not his strength. It is its passion towards the Prabhu Sri Ramchandra.
So as you say that Bhagwan Hanuman is not just a symbol of strength, but he is a symbol of devotion.
Yes.
And symbol of patience.
Okay.
Yeah, right. How you have done all of the preparations? How many days there are gone for this preparation?
Not too many. We have decided every year we know every year Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated. I think last 2-3 years or it was not happened that much interesting. So this year we have decided that we can do, if you decide, we can do this very well. And everybody given a well amount of money to this program so that we could carry forward this moment.
How was the support of villagers to this festival?
This time around it's 50-70, not 90% I say. But as we go further, this will increase. I hope this will increase.
So what is your message to the entire people of India and the world regarding the peace and regarding the bhaichara that is shown in India, that Hindu-Muslim bhaichara, that unity in diversity? So what do you have to say about it?
I want to convey the message to the society that don't see this society through casteism. Don't do casteism. Everyone should go with same kind of people living in this universe. So don't go on casteism. No difference in Prabhu Ramchandra and no difference in Muhammad Paigambar. You believe in Muhammad Paigambar, we believe in Prabhu Sri Rams. Both are equal. Both given same message to society.
Message of peace.
Message of peace given to the society. There should not be any casteism. So I finally want to say everybody, Hindu, Muslim is one and only one. There is no difference. We should come together. And actually I surprised and also I am very glad to inform you that some of the Muslim people also given the donation to this festival.
Yeah.
I feel proud.
Yeah.
This is a good message going to the society that Hindu Muslim are coming together and enjoying this festival. That is a good.
It is the beauty of Limbi Chinchoi village that in 1,000 years of history of Limbi Chinchoi village, there is no religious riots are happen here. Every religious person live together happily. Yes. There is no riot. There is no problem in between different religions, different castes. Right? Everyone is living in peace. We have from 8 days prior we have celebrated Ramzan Eid and Gudi Padwa together. Shri Jagat Guru Revun Siddheshwar Maharaj Yatra together. So this is the message that we have to convey to the world that Limbi Chinchoi village can do it, then everyone can do it.
Yes, absolutely.
So thank you, sir. I am really grateful to talk with you and thank you for giving your important time to us. Thank you, sir. तो इसी प्रकार से जो है बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ लिम्बी चिंचोड़ी गांव में जो है हनुमान जयंती का त्यौहार सेलिब्रेट किया गया। हनुमान जी की जो है पूरी दुनिया में जो है पहचान सिर्फ उनकी शक्ति के लिए है। तो हनुमान जी को जो है सिर्फ शक्ति के लिए मत जानिए, उनके जो है डिवोशन के ज़रिए उनको जानिए, किस प्रकार से उन्होंने भगवान प्रभु रामचंद्र की जो है भक्ति की है, किस प्रकार से उन्होंने जो है एक पेशेंस दिखाया है, किस प्रकार से उनके अंदर एक जागृति आई उनके अंदर, किसकी वजह से भक्ति के ज़रिए। तो भक्ति के अंदर जो शक्ति है उसको जो है जागर करने की कोशिश कीजिए, अपनी भक्ति को जो है ताकतवर बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए, अपने भगवान को किस तरीके से मोहब्बत करनी चाहिए वो जो है हमें हनुमान जी से जो है सीखना चाहिए। तो आज जो है बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ लिम्बी चिंचोड़ी गांव में भगवान हनुमान जी की जो है जयंती सेलिब्रेट हुई। तो चलिए अभी बाहर के भी कुछ लोगों से बात करेंगे और इस बेहतरीन वीडियो को समाप्त करेंगे।